Stop ignoring ocean omens. A mysterious fish just washed up in Tasmania. Something washed ashore in Australia. And it's sending chills down spines. This 9-foot creature is an oarfish, believed by ancient cultures to be a sign of disaster. That's right, the Doomsday fish. Japanese folklore says sightings of these deep-sea giants foretell earthquakes and tsunamis. So what does it mean for Tasmania? Could this be a warning? While scientists say it's just a deep-sea drifter, folklore fans aren't so sure. Is it simply a coincidence, or are we on the brink of chaos? What do you think? Coincidence or coming chaos?
Subscribe for more strange facts.